Hello folks, welcome back. In this lecture, I'm going to talk about how to install Git on developer system. As I said, we are going to treat this laptop as our development system. So let's install Git over here. To install Git, let's go to browser, new tab, Git for Windows, and first link itself takes us to git-sem website. Whenever you go here, it automatically start downloading Git latest version according to our kernel version. If it is not downloading, we can choose the version, depends upon our kernel version. Okay, it has been downloaded. Let's install it. Next, I'm going with the C. Next, and I'm going with the default settings itself. Just install it. Alright, once it is installed, you can see this kind of logo in your desktop. Anyway, I want to launch the Git bash. It is a bash shell. I'm just increasing font size. Let's make it as a bigger screen. Alright, now we have installed Git, right? So we can execute our Git commands. Just I'm giving Git. You can see it is a syntax error. Anyway, Git is working. This is how you can install Git on your Windows system. In next video, I'm going to show you how to install Git on Linux server. And I would be continue to work on Linux system itself rather than Windows. You can work even in Windows. There is no change in the execution of the commands. Whatever I'm executing on Linux system, you can execute same on this Git bash. That's it. Thanks for watching this video and see you in the next video.